Welcome to the ultimate adventure tour of the Himalayas, where the world's highest mountains meet unforgettable adventure. This is your gateway to the wild, untamed beauty of the Himalayas. If you're ready to experience trekking, extreme sports, and breathtaking natural wonders, then buckle up because this is going to be one thrilling ride. Our journey begins in Nepal, home to the legendary Mount Everest. Trekking to the Everest base camp is the adventure of a lifetime, offering jaw-dropping views and the chance to stand in the shadow of the world's tallest peak. But there's more to the Himalayas than just Everest. Much more. Next stop, Pokhara. Known for its serene lakes and dramatic mountain views, Pokhara is also the adventure capital of Nepal. Whether you're flying high above the Annapurna range with paragliding or getting your adrenaline rush with some of the best whitewater rafting in the world, this city has it all. From Nepal we head into Ladakh, India, an isolated desert nestled high in the mountains. Adventure lovers can explore on motorbikes or even camelback. Ladakh's unique blend of stark deserts and towering peaks make it a surreal landscape for thrill seekers. Now for the truly daring, the Zanskar River offers some of the wildest whitewater rafting in the Himalayas. The river carves its way through deep gorges, surrounded by towering cliffs, perfect for an unforgettable adventure through the heart of the mountains. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a stop in the mystical kingdom of Bhutan. Trek through pristine forests to the iconic Tiger's Nest Monastery, perched precariously on the side of a cliff. Bhutan's peaceful and spiritual atmosphere offers a unique twist to your Himalayan adventure. And for the true mountaineers out there, the Himalayas offer some of the most challenging climbs on Earth. From peaks like Lhotse to Kanchenjunga, this range is the ultimate playground for serious climbers and winter sports enthusiasts. At the end of the day, there's nothing like camping beneath the Himalayan sky, surrounded by the tallest mountains in the world. It's a humbling experience that will stay with you forever. From trekking to Everest Base Camp, to rafting wild rivers, paragliding over ancient peaks, and exploring the last Himalayan kingdom, this is the ultimate adventure tour of the Himalayas. Are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic adventures from around the world.